biggest part of being a Chicago style hot dog is what you put on it and what you don't put on it. I'm gonna make a hot dog and I'm gonna show you how to do it the real Chicago way. We're gonna be using our new Turano bleacher buns. We're gonna put the bleacher buns on a grate above the water, and then we're gonna cover it. It's kind of the same principle for the hot dog. You don't want to boil the hot dogs. A lot of places steam them. Today we're gonna like simmer them. Chicago style is either boiled or steamed. When you grill it, because it's a high heat, it tends to draw out more salt. You lose a little bit more moisture. Actually, by doing it either steamed or boiled, you retain more moisture. So you wind up getting a juicier hot dog. You can see it's just barely at a simmer. They're good. And then we can start to assemble the hot dogs. It shouldn't be so soft that it's mushy or tacky. You can see that it still has the integrity of the bread. The other thing is you don't want to overdo it with any one item. You don't want it drenched with mustard or relish. You got to be careful because you don't want to overdo it. The hot dog is salty in itself, so it's just like a little added zest.
Right. Now that's Chicago. Toronto bleacher buns can't be beat. Available at all your Chicagoland grocers. Good.